already prepped and primed my face. My skin is finally coming back. If you guys haven't seen my skincare routine, check that out. So what I'm going for is gonna be like this really cool black glitter situation. I'm going to like a Met theme ball, so I want to give something super dramatic, and I only have 45 minutes to do it. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna get going, and you guys can watch pretty close. It's gonna be super quick to see how I accomplish this. I've never done this before, so just a disclaimer, hopefully it comes out good. All right, let's do it. So this is where I am now. I'm kind of regretting my decision, but I have a baby wipe, and I'm gonna try to get all this glitter off my face. It sucks because I now have to go prime that area again. But it's all good. I'm not like super defeated at this point. I'm still rather optimistic and hopeful. It just needs to be cleaned up a lot. And it's a lot different than what I was initially going for, but hey, who cares? It's makeup, it's fun, it's gonna be okay. So I will be back. I'm gonna actually do the rest of this off camera, guys. Sorry if you guys really wanted to see, but I don't think I'll be able to do that. I need to have to like get into a mode to really get this together. So I will be back once I'm done, okay? All right, you guys, so this is how it came out. I'm actually pretty satisfied with it. It's not exactly what I was going for, but it's still really pretty, so I'm okay. So I'm gonna go with my foundation and we'll get contoured, and I'm running so late. You know, boo, don't kill me, I'm so sorry. I'm on my way. Alright, you guys, so I literally had to hop in the car because I am so late. I was at my friend's house literally at 6:15 and it's like 6:45. So I'm super late. My makeup is in fact finished. I am not fully vested in costume or drag, if you will. But I am certainly on my way to that. My dress is on, not properly, of course, but it is on, and I'm going to put the last finishing touches on with her, and you guys can see how, you know, everything comes together. And I know it's a little costumey, but it's like a Met Gala type of vibe. So I was really inspired. Let me roll this window up a bit. I was really inspired by Kendall Jenner's like orange feathered look, and I wanted to do it basically in black, but then tone it down a smidget because I didn't want the big, you know, thing collar, I guess, feathered collar. So I do have one that it'll just be, I'm really trying to give off some Maleficent vibes here. Like meets Black Swan. I love how this eye makeup came out, guys. It's so cute. But I'm on my way and I'm driving, and this is bad. You're not supposed to be like video chatting or whatever I'm doing, video vlogging without my seatbelt on and driving. And if I get pulled over, it's only because I love you guys enough to try to not miss any of this documentation. So with that being said, I love you guys, and I will see you when I get to my friend's house. I don't need to be doing this. I do not need to be this extra. I'm already hot. Not enough. That's right. I think everybody's consensus was to use the strap one. The strap ones, I think, were the win.
Okay. I like that.
Yeah, everyone likes this.
I like it with the feather.
Alright, you guys, so this is basically how the look turned out. I absolutely love it. It's giving me Maleficent, Black Swan at the ball. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, thumbs up, and subscribe for good vibes, guys. I love you, love you, love you. Bye.